Trigonometric functions are the study of the relationships between angles and sides of a triangle in two or three-dimensional figure or in space. In mathematics, the trigonometric functions are sine, cosine, tangent, sec, cosine, and cotangent. These identities were first used by the ancient Greeks Ptolemy and Hipparchus. Hipparchus was known as the first mathematician known to have proposed a trigonometric table, which he needed when he computing the eccentricity of the orbits of the moon and the sun. Ptolemy calculated the table of chords called the Armagest. He looked at triangles inscribed in circle, the angle of an arc, and the length of the chord that subtends the arc. In particular, it's believed that Hipparchus was the first to draw up an extensive table of arc angles and their corresponding chords. Hipparchus and later Ptolemy derived many trigonometric identities in terms of chords that are equivalent to the ones involving sine and cosine that we use. There are two main branches of trigonometry. One, plane trigonometry, is the study of the relationships between angles and sides of a triangle in two-dimensional figure. Two, spherical trigonometry is the study of the relationships between angle and sides of a triangle in a three-dimensional plane or in space. Since their invention, trig functions have been vital in almost every branch of mathematics. The sine and cosine functions find the most practical applications due to their simplicity and the frequency with which they appear in nature. Historically, they have been used in engineering, astronomy, to calculate distances between celestial objects and nautical navigation. In pure mathematics, their main uses are in calculus, statistics, and linear algebra. In geometry, trig functions are used to calculate the lengths of sides of triangles and their interior angle. In engineering, they are used for finding distances, angles, and lengths to correctly lay out walls and slopes, roofs. Trig functions are used in many areas of applied maths and physics, especially optics. Sine and cosine functions are used to describe waveforms of all kinds of naturally occurring waves. This is essential for application of electromagnetic waves such as lasers and radio communication. Sound waves are also modeled this way and used for sonar engineering. Lastly, electrical alternating current can be modeled using trig functions.
An important application of trigonometric functions is the Fourier series. This type of series was developed by Joseph Fourier to solve complex differential equations. Any periodic function can be decomposed into an infinite series of weighted sine and cosine terms that converge to the function. The applications of Fourier series are found commonly in mathematics and areas of physics where complicated signal waveforms appear. Fourier series also assists with data compression. Instead of storing information about an entire signal, Fourier series can be used to reconstruct the signal accurately. Audio and image compression rely on a similar principle. Trigonometric functions have provided the ability to understand many natural phenomena through the use of Fourier series, such as ocean tides, sunspots, and planetary orbits.